All right, y'all, we're throwing a big old corned beef brisket on the Woodfire Grill today, guys. It's gonna basically turn itself into pastrami because that's what smoked corned beef is, but that's all right. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be tasty. This is what we did to get to this point. We got a 4-pound brisket point. That corned beef point is, obviously been just brining for days and days and days since it was packaged in that corned beef solution. So what we're gonna do is rinse all that off, pat it dry, take a look at it. Now, obviously you can see the butcher went ham on this one, and just there's a big old slice in it. There's another cut in the other side of it. We're gonna make do with what it is, but it's someone went nuts with the slicer on this one. So we got it on the tray here. We're going to give it a nice covering of Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. Now I'm using it because it's a great shake to use on there, but also because it has a chunky bit of pepper in there. Okay, we got some heavy duty pepper on this rub, and it's just gonna complement those, corned beef flavors. So once the smoke hits it, that good peppery vibe, there's salt, there's paprika, all those good flavors, all just gonna complement each other. Now we're using Smokin Pecan pellets in there too. They give a great amount of smoke, and the smoke lasts a long time with these pecan shell pellets. The link down below for Smokin Pecan. Give them a try. Really, I just love the flavor they put off. I love the smoke they put off, and they work great in that Woodfire Grill. You have a little water pan in there. Usually with pastrami, there's a little bit of a steam feature in with that smoking. So that's what we're gonna use that water pan for. We got our corned beef brisket in there. We have the temp spike in there, monitoring temperatures. Once we get to that 205 to 210, pull it out, we'll let it rest, and then we'll slice into it. A little more than an hour in, tipping out a little over 100. It's looking great, got a great color on there. We'll come on back in the... Guys, we're back in the house. To catch you up to now, which is about 6 hours later from when we put it on, did a little halfway check. Probably got a lot of wind noise in that one. After the first burn off of the pellets, so after the first hour or 15 minutes or so, I let it cook a little bit, and then I'm like, you know what, it needed a little bit more smoke, so I threw another cup of the Smokin Pecan pellets in there, and then hit that wood fire button, and then it fired those pellets up and gave it another hour's worth of smoke. Right, so we got some really good smoked corned beef right now. Let it rest in the pan in here for probably about a half hour or so. So let's go ahead and slice into it. Corned beef brisket right here. As you can see, this is the little where the butcher got crazy on it. So we're gonna go ahead and take out our knife, slicing blade here, and I'm just gonna come and tack that part off there. We'll chop that up in a minute. So if you look, I don't know how well you can see it, but the grains are actually running, up and down here. So we're just gonna slice across the grain. Right, nice thin sandwich style slices. Guys, this smells so dang good. It's definitely worth it, worth the time, worth the effort to smoke your corned beef. A close up, nice and moist. It's gonna be awesome flavors. Let's go ahead and cut up a little bite off and take a bite. We got a nice sliced little piece right here. Oh, that's too good. Beautiful flavors, smoky, peppery. So if you guys want to get yourself one of these Woodfire grills, either the XL or the original, links are all down below. I have 4 e-cookbooks for the Woodfire grill and some recipes for the Woodfire oven. If you'd like to check those out, links are down below. They're $5 each, or they're $15 for all 4. So it's a deal. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. May the luck of the Irish be with you. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Sláinte. Cheers.